guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, because today I just got this brand new portable DVD player that I'm going to take somewhere. So let's get to the unboxing. If this goes a little slow, sorry, I'm recording with one hand. The charger fell out. This is the charger that comes with it. I bought this at a pawn shop, so I guess that's how it comes. Because it usually comes in a twist tie, but Okay, next piece. Here's the actual piece itself. The Craig. There you go. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, let's open this up. I'll turn this on. Where's the up here it is. There's nothing in there. Yep, it's my new DVD player. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. And if you have any comments, just leave them down below. You guys better subscribe.